What's up, guys? It's 26 degrees and it's snow. Well, it's not snowing, it snowed last night. Well, it's 26 degrees and they say it feels like 15. Yes, I'm wearing shorts. So we got pure ice. This is right here, pure ice. Sticky. Ugh. Ugh. Now that's ice right there. Snow, 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 snow. Well, it obviously didn't ice the tree. The flowers are blooming. I guess that means spring's coming. It technically is spring, except we're just getting snow somehow. This right here is deep. Yeah. Oh, that's deep. Last night it was even deeper than this. Got deep into the yard. Looks like there's some kind of footprints out here. I don't know. There's mine. Look how deep that is. Look at that. Go right in the middle. Boom. Boom. Let me get it wide. Make it look like really bad. There's some grass right there. It's been melted. Last night it was really bad. I think it was like, well, it was 32 at the beginning of the snow, and then it dropped down to like 15, I think, last night. I don't even know. Did a live stream yesterday about the snowstorm that was possibly coming. Well, yep, it came. In case you were wondering. Some water. And what better thing to do than just play wall ball in a snowstorm? Just fun. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. You better subscribe, and you better tell me what your favorite kind of tornado is. Bye.